you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be cash stuffing my cash envelopes with $154, and I have moved to a system of cashless sinking funds. So I just have my sinking funds written down on like these index cards, what I've been adding and what they're currently at. So I already did these. So I added all of my sinking funds to a savings account because I just did not trust having that much cash on me. But with cash envelopes, I'm fine because these will be used every single month. So we're going to start with gas. Oh, and I got these envelopes from Money, and they're extremely cute. They came in about a week and a half, and they came with a little card to fill out the balances for how much cash I wanted and the quantity of each. So we're going to start with gas today, and gas is going to be getting $30. So we're going to do 120 and another 5. This is 20, 25, and 30. And I did film this video before, that's why these dollars are a bit like folded like this. So that is 30 in gas. Eating out is also getting 30. So we're just gonna add $10 to this. And I'll also at the end of this video I want to go over my current net worth and like how I'm investing right now. How much I'm investing. So that's 30 in eating out. Spending is also getting 30. And you guys, this works for me for the month. That's why I don't stuff so frequently, because I'm in the house right now. I'm in college. I don't really have that many expenses. That's 30 in spending. So I'm okay with this little budget, and it works for me, especially for cash envelopes. Giving is getting $29 for a total of 30. And I think it is, let's see if this works, 5, 10. This should be 9. No, wrong. 5, 10, 15, 20. This should be 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in total, this is 30. And I did it this way because if I had 20s, I don't think I would just give somebody $20. Like, I'd rather it be broken up so I can give $1 here, $5 there. So it works out. If you guys hear that noise, my mom is renovating the house because I guess she has no kids to not mess up her stuff anymore. So that's the noise. We're getting our floor redone downstairs. Let's do it this way with the bigger bill on top. But I'm really proud of my investing journey because I started at 18, but I don't think I knew exactly what I know now. Now I have an actually diversified portfolio, which looks amazing. And I'm already up 30%, which is great. And before, I think I got into option trading, so I basically sold my stocks and then started option trading, which has been nice because I did pay myself out $5,000, and I'll show you guys pretty much where the majority of that went to in my net worth. So for groceries, at 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. And that is for groceries. And most of the time, I give my mom a $50 bill, so I normally have 2 50s. But I think I'm actually gonna go grocery shopping to get stuff personally. So that's it for today. When it comes to cash envelope stuff, you have groceries, giving, spending, eating out, and gas. And these are the amounts that these will typically get. And I'm just gonna put these back in my wallet. And I use a different wallet in a different purse, but I never, before I leave the house, I figure out which wallet I want to use. So just keeping it in here before I transfer it to a different wallet makes a lot of sense to me. So to talk about let's go to Networth first before I update you guys on my apartment. Alright, so, sorry. Current net worth is, let's calculate that. So in my apartment savings, y'all, there's so much I want to do right now. In my apartment savings, I currently have 4,958 because I added 3,550, I believe, which is amazing. So that puts me at February. And I wanted to color these in. And if you guys are new here, I will be moving out of my parents', my mom's house, to a student apartment next year. And it's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, well, 3.5 bath. My rent will be $659 for 12 months. And then renter's insurance is $25 for 12 months, which is $300. So I tasked myself. I really want to do this. I want to move out. And if I don't have a job and I'm still relying on like the money I make from trading, which is $1,000 to $5,000 a month, then I really want to have this apartment paid for in its entirety. So any money I make can just go towards my future. So that's been the goal. And as of right now, I have 4,958. And before that, I had 1408, which got me August and September. But now I have all the way up into February figured out. And I think I'm just going to outline these so I know the color that I want to fill them in later. And y'all, that is so exciting. Because that literally means it's a 12th month lease. So August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. I have up to February covered, meaning I'd only have to pay for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. 5 months. That's all I have to pay for. And you know, it's not even summer yet, and I have a summer internship that's paying pretty well. So I'm excited to be able to say I can afford my apartment in its entirety and to put my money other places. Y'all, these lines are not going to be that great. But it's just to show I got it. And I'm excited. Because I feel like I stress about so many things when it comes to like my future and finances. So to know that next year I don't have to stress about paying rent. And like based off of this right now, I don't have to pay rent for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. 7 months I do not have to pay rent. Like that is so amazing. In February, that is so exciting. Because I thought like I wouldn't really be able to manage moving out and I'd have to like rely on my student refund. But now I can like save and invest more with my student refund, which is amazing. So currently have until February covered for my apartment. And I think I have to save $8,208 to afford rent and renter's insurance for the year, minus $4,958, $3,250 I have left to save, and my tax refund should cover half of this, hopefully, or at least I can put, because I'll be getting the 2 stimulus checks I didn't receive when I get my tax refund. Or I'll just put like $500 towards it. I'll do that budget for you guys so you guys see what I'm doing. Alright, so February net worth. Since February is coming to an end. Oh, I have 3,250 right here. Okay, so I don't know if I told you guys this, but my goal is to have 10,000 in my investing portfolio. And I know you guys are like, well, don't your investments change? Yeah. But I'm basically keeping note of what I currently have put into investing. So currently I've put in, where's it at? M1 Finance. I've currently put in $2,730 into M1 Finance, which is amazing. So my goal is to have 10,000 in investments before I graduate college, which is May 2022. So I need to put in 7,270 for my investing portfolio to be considered fully funded for me. And then for apartment, like I just said, $3,250 to have me covered for the whole entire year. So in my apartment, I currently have $4,958. Sinking funds, I have $1,310. And I showed you guys how I do the cashless system now. I've had this in the share savings. My savings is just a money market account. I have $4,492. And it was $4,490, but there's a great, well, not that great. There's like what's the interest on this account? Maybe 1 or 2%. Certificates, I have 2 certificates of deposits that have a total of 5,512, which has me at the 10,000 for my emergency savings, which is great. And one finance, 2,730. I have 1 student loan that I took out my first year of college, which I refuse to take out another loan. So that's 3,500. So we're going to calculate that. And I'm not adding Robinhood because I trade on that account. That's how I make my money, to like add to investments, add to my different savings accounts. So I'm not adding that. But it does have, I took out 6,000, and I believe it has about 4,000 on there. But this week has been awful, so who freaking knows what that's going to be. Okay, let's restart. 4,958 plus 1,310 plus 4,492 plus 5,512 and plus 2,730 for investments. That is going to equal $23,960. And then we subtract our student loan, which is $3,500. Our net worth is $20,460. And you guys, that is so amazing. Like, I don't think it's really hitting me because I don't spend money like that and everything's in a savings account. But to be 19 with $20,000 is pretty cool. Especially because I know, like, once I do get a 9-to-5 job when I graduate next year, I'll have a lot of things taken care of. And I'm not really, like, I don't spend money that much at all. So it'd be nice to kind of spoil myself for once. Alright, we're at the end of this video. Please leave a comment or leave a like, but definitely look in the description below for my investing portfolio. I invest with M1 Finance. If you're into short-term or even long-term trading, not trading, investing, those are 2 different things. You truly, in my opinion, need like an M1 Finance account. Robinhood can be very speculative. It can have you doing so many different things you should not be doing. But if you purely want to invest in the stock market on like a repetitive basis, like monthly basis, M1 Finance is the place for you. You create a portfolio with pie slices, and you basically say you want to put in $500 into investing each month. Every pie slice that you have, which is a share of a company stock or a mutual fund or a bond, you put in your $500 and it'll be equally distributed to everything in your pie, which is better than just buying whole shares. Like, you're getting it at a dollar average, which is better for investing. And that's all I have for you guys today. I will post my tax budget whenever I get my tax refund, or not when I get my tax refund, but when I know how much I will be getting back. And once again, my investing portfolio will be left in the link below. Bye, you guys.